We are going to see in this program how easy it is to locate asteroids on the snow. Here's the Hopscotch work table to create the program. We have the robot that is going to draw the background. We have our text. We have the location where the asteroid is going to hit the ground. We have the asteroid, the moving clouds, and the exploding asteroid. When the play button is tapped and the program starts, we have here our text that we're going to place at the bottom of the screen at 250, 100, and we are going to set the letters to be at 70%. When the play button is tapped, our robot is going to draw the background. First, we are going to make it invisible, and we are going to draw the sky across the entire screen of the iPad. So one big humongous dot across the entire surface of the iPad, and then we are going to create the snow. So we are going to position our robot at 0, 150 and draw a white line of 300 units wide during the entire width of the iPad to draw the white snow. When the play button is tapped, we are going to place our horizon at 700 to 70 of white color. That will be the impact where the asteroid is going to hit the ground. When the play button is tapped, we have our cloud here. We are going to create an infinite number of clones of this character, of the cloud character. Each clone of the cloud is going to do the same thing. So we are going to set the speed very slow to 50. We're going to set the cloud size to be random between 200 and 500% of the original cloud size, a little bit bigger. And we are going to set each cloud to be invisible by 80%. Then each one of the clouds is going to go at random to a random location between x 0 500 and y 600 to 800, and it's going to go forward by 500, so it creates the illusion that the clouds is moving forward on the sky. Here we have our asteroid. When the play button is tapped, we make it invisible and we make it bigger by 150%. When the iPad is tapped, we're going to start seeing the asteroid on the screen. We make it completely visible, so we set invisibility 0%. We set the trajectory, we make it invisible, and then we erase our yellow trajectory. The trajectory of the asteroid is going to start at 0700 at the top left of the screen. We set the angle to be -30, so it's going to go at an angle, and we're going to have a trail of the asteroid in yellow color, 50 units wide and 770 units long. So it's going to draw a yellow line. Once the asteroid hit the ground, we are going to erase the yellow line by drawing a blue line off top of the yellow line. So I'm going to start at the top with the angle and draw a blue line this time where the yellow line used to be. At this stage, this asteroid is going to do the explosion, but initially when the play button is tapped, we're going to make it small by 20%. We're going to make it invisible and set its position. When the asteroid and its trajectory hit the ground asteroid is going to be cloned 100 times. So this asteroid is going to be separated in several pieces. So each one of the clone is going to be small at 20%, is going to be visible, and it's going to go anywhere below the surface at an angle of 0 to minus 180, and it's going to move forward at random between 0 and 250 units. And here we can see asteroids on the snow.